Have you ever wondered how much contribution you give to the destruction of the Mother Earth? Your gas emission, your wastewater, or the amount of garbage you produce. As a leading house developer with a vision to be the excellent, competent, and sustainable developer in Indonesia, we introduce you to a new and environmental friendly system called Near Zero Emission Building, or n-ZEB. Household energy consumption plays a major role in the depletion of energy on Earth. Those household energy consumption contaminate water, air, and soil that threatens the lives of our children. Zebra comes to be the solution of the problems we are facing today. n-ZEB houses developed by Zebra has been certified by the Edge and Greenship organization with an energy savings rate of up to 60% and has been labeled a sustainable neighborhood. With the addition of only 10% of the cost for typical house, n-ZEB houses reduce carbon emission up to 2.85 kilograms of carbon dioxide per meter square per year, which is classified as Class A1. We provide you better environment for the lives of the greens, the animals, and the human. Zebra, there to protect you.